I'm Kayla with WTI. I wanted to show you this Woffit under the bed shoe organizer set. Now this set comes with 2 under the bed storage systems and I absolutely love them. They're super easy to put together. Simply open them up. It has a center fold that goes down the middle that has Velcro on both sides and on the ends. So you can simply just stick that in. And then from there you can create your own storage system. It comes with these other dividers here that you can just stick in the sides here using the Velcro depending on the size of compartment you need. So if you are using this specifically for shoes like I am, you may want a smaller section for flats or flip-flops, and you might need a little bit longer section for boots. So I love the fact that this is completely customizable depending on what you specifically need. I have my shoes ready to go, and this fits perfectly underneath the bed, and all I have to do is slide it in, and when I go to slide it out, I can also use the handle, which is really nice and convenient. I like that it has the clear top as well, because if I'm looking for a specific shoe, I don't have to go through and open up each organizer. I can just simply pull them out from underneath the bed and look to see where the shoe I need is. These Woffit shoe organizers for underneath the bed are great. I love how versatile they are, and I love that I can customize the size of the different compartments. That's my point of view.